Good morning. It is a beautiful Thursday morning here in Michigan. I'm about to leave for the farm. Today's kind of an exciting day for Dad. He is getting a new combine delivered. A used combine, but new to him. So I'm going to be out there in time for the combine to arrive. Okay, I made it to the farm. And guess what? The temperatures rose and all the snow is gone. Woohoo! I gotta stop moving altogether. Okay, today's task, besides waiting for the combine to arrive, is this yard full of pine cones. I'm gonna clear it up. Rick's starting. There's a million pine cones. It's here? I gotta go. Hi. He's stealing it. Come back. Here comes Dad. Waiting for the combine to come back.
He said he only allows 10 seconds to unload. If we don't get it unloaded there by the time he's taking off. So. You're right in the middle of the road.
Very exciting. He's gonna come over the hill in a minute. Here comes Dad.
So what he's gonna do, the trailer is hooked to the front tractor.
Yeah.
And it splits, and he'll lower down the trailer to the ground, and then he'll drive the whole front of the trailer away. He'll leave that combine sitting on the ground.
Gotcha.
Then you just drive it off the front of the trailer.
Ah, okay.
There's no ramps.
Ah,
It's a drop bed trailer.
interesting. Here's the neighbor doing manure today. Okay, here he comes. Wide load. Oversized load. Yay!
That's the right place. That's south side.
This thing. I don't know, he said it lowers and then it slides. Oh, maybe the things go in. See where the wheels are?
Yeah.
Like they push in and then the tires are on the ground. Yeah, it looks like they have different ledges that it comes out underneath the tires. I don't know. We'll find out. Oh, it's lowering. There it goes, it's lowering. Oh, it's going down. Ooh. got his little flags on the front though. Yeah, this is a kind of a busy road, and people tend to come over that hill or come flying down the road. There's somebody. So it's kind of a little bit of a tricky spot. And it left that behind. Okay. Hi, Semi. We're gonna see how they do it. And they drive it off like a little ramp. I do believe these little things come out. So I think they come out on all sides.
He said he left it in gear to use as a parking brake. So you'll have to take it out of gear, and you got to play the gear shift when you turn the key to.
Be careful, Dad. He already fell off one combine. We don't want him to fall off another one. Okay, Dad has to drive it off of there, but he has to go get a little stool so he can climb up there because it's too tall. Here he goes up into his new combine. Yay, Dad! Allis Chalmer, his favorite. Oh, there he goes. Oh, yeah. I'm out here to help now too, so.
Oh yeah?
I'm gonna learn. This is my year of learning.
Ah!
Oh yeah. Woohoo! Yay! Dad's new combine inside. All the little buttons and such, I have no idea what they do.
What's that? I think she ought to start at the bottom. She ought to start out with front work. Like picking rocks.
We were already doing pine cones in the yard and stacking wood one day.
Well, that's a good start.
Yes.
You got to start at the bottom. You can't just jump in. I don't care if you're the boss's daughter. You can't just jump in at the top.
That's right. Admiring the new combine.
Nice.
Rick's checking it out.
They like them big mirrors.
He put the sides back in and he's loading this thing back up on here. He slid all those side pieces back in. And then he's going to load it back up. Lifting back up. That's cool. We have visitors.
Looks pretty nice from this side, but they wrecked the other side this morning.
Yeah, so the man that Dad bought the combine from was loading it in the dark, and he ended up backing it up and hitting it into something. So there's a little damage now. Nothing too major, but still a bummer.
Two spots on a combine where you can leak grain. One is the elevator there, the other one is the auger beside it. And they're both dented.
That's a little wobbly. Yeah.
I would have helped him up, but
He hit it with a tree, didn't he? Knew that nut back here.
There. No workman's comp. Look how blue the sky is. Holy cow.
first couple days we had this bright sky like this, like everybody's smiling and
Yes.
running around.
Immediately, you just want to get out and do stuff. Yeah.
If he actually hit this here, I'd be more concerned about that water. I don't think he hit it very hard here.
Well, you don't have to worry much when you don't have a head on it. There's not much weight there.
Right. Roll nicely. If this falls, I die. I'll see you in heaven.
Well, I'm down here too, so we'll see both of us.
You never know.
What is it?
Cover.
Oh, a cover?
Yes.
Over what?
I don't know.
Oh.
We'll find out together.
Just a cover. We don't know what it's for. We're just taking it off. Oh, hello. Thank
Don't do
you.
that. Don't do that.
You're going to
Don't do
kick up
that.
all the
Go
dust in
my
his
face.
lungs.
Right in my face.
He was trying to make it clean for
I
you.
know.
It's a farm. It's dirty.
That's all there is to it.
I have it. What is he taking off?
The covers, because there's a clog that's preventing the combine from turning.
Okay.
This is spring maintenance, 2025.
Spring maintenance. That's right. It's pre-season.
Right, preseason.
Pre-season maintenance.
Is he still working on one nut?
Yeah.
Is there a problem with it?
No.
Nah,
It's just slow.
Slow and taking my time.
Slow going. It's coming. It's gonna fall on you. Oh,
Sure is.
you all right? Is it heavy?
I had no warning.
Oh. It's dirty under there.
Krista, get the cleaner.
It's very dirty.
Clean off that chain.
Very dirty. Oh, under there.
Seems like it.
You need a little broom.
Okay, that's what he uncovered right there.
See that right there?
Yes.
If that breaks or goes up, I die.
It's not gonna break right now.
It's actually the hydraulics are holding it up. But if the hydraulics failed somehow,
Yeah, see? It's not turning, is it? Hear that snapping?
Yeah.
something's stuck.
We'll do it again.
Over here it's snapping.
Nothing's turning at all.
Over here it makes a popping sound.
Jumping.
Like this chain right here.
Here, I think.
Show me what it's
It went boom, boom, like right on this
Where
side.
at?
Somewhere in there.
right there.
I think so.
You watch that and see if it jumps. Well, you remember when we tried to run this?
What?
Originally, it wouldn't run. It's snapping. Remember up in Ohio? You were there.
He just
It
told
wouldn't
me.
run.
Oh yeah, it's that. Right? Right there.
Yeah, that bottom is
The
it's
bottom
just a slip
is
clutch over
snapping
here.
apart.
So it won't turn that chain.
The slip clutch is slipping.
This thing.
So
The
why
slip
is that?
clutch is
Why
slipping
is that?
there.
It can't be frozen.
It's right here.
It went pop, pop. It like opened and then banged shut again.
I said, well, it's
You got something holding
There's
up?
the cover that was on top. And we said, well, it's froze up. Well, the cover's off now and it's still not turning.
Well, if they was snapping right here,
Yeah.
so I bet you could put the put the pipe wrench right in that.
Was it moving out? Right here is where we're moving out, right?
Yeah.
All right, Karen, pick me up.
Karen, pick him up, he said.
It might be broken up above somewhere. It's not down here.
Oh, we know how to fix them.
Want me to take that other cover off?
Has nothing to do with the other cover.
No? Okay.
These men have decades of experience fixing farm machinery,
Okay.
and I learned a lot just from watching and listening to them.
I'm looking at it.
You want me to wiggle it?
Yeah?
I can't see the bead. I can't see the
Too many arc flashes. See, it's got to be stuck at the top somewhere.
Yeah, we're looking at it. Keep going.
shaft is bound up on this flange here.
Okay, let me go down below and put a rod on it and pry it. See if two of us can pry it loose. Oh, it's tight. I'm going backwards. A little bit.
Well, somebody's working on it. Move it a bit.
What's that doing?
It's just making the tree on this side loose.
Come around way.
Rick, you pull it towards the front of the combine.
That's what I'm doing.
Do that some more.
Okay, that's where, when Dad was doing it, it was making the chain go loose. Yeah,
Keep doing that.
it's turning over here.
Keep doing it. You're making progress.
It looks like it's doing the right thing over here.
The skeletons can cause it to bind up sometimes, because we've had that trouble before. But those roller bearings have to be changed, and they're buried inside the combine there. I think this whole section unbolts and drops out of the head of the combine. That's how you have to fix that. To put new rollers on each end of that whole section has to drop.
That new string. That cotter pin ain't.
Oh, it's just so loose.
There's a catch point.
I'll bet you if
You know what I'm saying on the side link?
Yeah. You can't run it like that.
Keep going.
It'll fall apart.
Well, you got one hold of it, but I understand that. But that's what I'm saying. It's at the same place it was when it hung up before.
You can take
I
half
don't
a
know what
link out of
that
that
flange,
chain.
you know, that's off to the side.
Ooh, there it's popping again.
Yeah, it's just the flights are catching on the bottom here, is why it won't pick it up. That should back up now. Oh wow, it's just loose, catching on stuff.
Maybe you just tighten the chain.
I think it'd be worth tightening the chain.
Lunch for, yeah, he needs to eat something so he can keep up his strength. You need to keep up your strength, Dad. Hi. Dad's friend's dog. Okay, we had a little lunch break and the guys are back to working on the combine. I'm gonna go see what they're doing. Rick is under the combine.
That's right, it didn't go anywhere.
I wonder how the chain feels. The chain that we're trying to tighten, give it a wiggle. Maybe it's holding you up.
The chain is really tight on Ted's side. It's a little bit looser on this side.
Is it supposed to hang down like this?
Yeah.
It's like droopy right here.
Yeah.
That's normal.
This side here is pretty tight.
The chain's pretty tight. Well,
On Ted's side, it's really tight.
We're back at it, trying to figure out why it's not working.
Oh,
So you can, I can.
move it.
The other side.
I think you'll have to extend those as far as they'll go, and you'll still be barely enough chain tight. So that's a really wore out
getting it
chain.
now.
What? Get tight?
Getting it real tight now.
Oh, it's tighten it up. Stop.
It's almost like the other side. There's no, well, it's still moving a little bit. You can probably go a little
All right, let me rotate the chain and
see how it
see
goes.
if it loosens up some. Now we want to feel that chain and see if it got looser.
Yeah, it's still loose on this side. The other side's still pretty solid.
So we'll take a little bit more up on that side.
Tell me when.
Keep going.
What do you think?
Yeah, it still has a little bit of a movement to it. Yeah, I can make it move on your side. I can't make it move over there at all. So
Well,
it's
this
really
side
tight.
stretched more than that because it's been hanging up.
Okay.
Don't you think?
Yep, we need to find that missing pin, fix it also.
You want to rotate it some more and
Yeah,
see if it loosens up?
yeah. We need to find the missing link.
You're not taking pictures of two old men, are you?
Oh, yeah.
That's not good. If you look at the rollers, they're roller cockeyed.
Oh, the roller's completely split and falling apart. There's just a shell of the roller left that it's working on. Now I do see that you can access that from here. You put a new roller on it. And the roller is split in half. Half of it's dropped down and binding up. Problem with the roller.
At least you could identify it.
Yeah.
Could almost work on it through that window, but not very easily. The flange section is hanging off the side.
Broken.
There's like a flange broken.
Well, I didn't get it till just now. In my opinion, you have to fix that.
Yeah, you might as well fix them both.
You put new, it needs to have new ones in, yeah.
Believe it or not, I could get in there.
You got a book?
You could?
Yeah.
But I believe
If somebody holds this up, I could climb in.
Oh, yikes.
it's hanging on a bolt. And so there's a pulley on this side and a pulley on that side. They're all made that way.
There's a cutout in the roller,
Yes.
and there's like a square nut that's in there.
X nut,
Yep. And you can take that bolt out.
yeah.
That's doable
From where?
from right here.
He thinks he can climb in there.
Oh, man, I
It's
don't know.
uncomfortable. Somebody has to hold that up.
If Ted's right, you want to split the chain and get it out
I
of it.
know it can be done. Done every day.
There's the 3 bolts on the side. 2 of them we loosened. The third one is part of what's holding the whole
Well,
assembly.
you're saying the whole,
The whole assembly.
well, that might be. I'm
comes
not
out.
saying that's not true.
It drops out. Well, it's a hard job, that's why it's not something I ever did. I always just patched them up and kept going. Together.
Could you just take the linkage off the side of the chain and separate the chain that way?
Well, what we're gonna look at is the way the book says to do it. So before you crawl in there and do anything,
I'm just kind of,
Given ideas.
observations. There's like right where the chain is, there's a little powder pen type thing in the side of that, right there. You can take that chain apart.
that's right.
I'm learning things.
Learning. We're all learning.
Just like it, that needs to be changed also. So you might look at the way the factory says to take it apart. Means that whole thing slides out the bottom.
This is what we have YouTube for, right? That's the second cover right there, across the leaf.
Yeah. Good. That's more likely what we gotta do. Spend a lot of money to be able to get something I
Yeah.
wouldn't have to work on it. It's just,
You're gonna like this so well
I'm not liking it very good today.
that, well, it's one of them days. Disappointing. Very disappointing, right? I feel sad for you.
See, it'll be easy to get the chain off this side. Because the 2 pins are like right now.
No,
We can get them.
the way to do it is pull it right out of there. You get it, have it all fine-tuned when you put it in. You'll be all done with it.
That'll be nice for forever.
If you need to change the chain, you can. If you don't, you know,
Right.
probably.
What do you take out of there?
The whole conveyor drops out of the combine
Okay.
with the
It's just a
bearings and the
separate conveyor
pulleys
in
and
there.
everything attached.
There's those 3 bolts along the side there. Then that, see that strap up there underneath?
Okay.
It looks like a. I think you take 2 bolts out, that'll drop right out of there. I believe.
Crazy.
And you put the new wheels in and bearings and put it back together.
Nice.
Slide right down.
I have to get back to the pine cones now. Okay, so the lawn's looking much better over here. We still got a section up front to do. Well, that was an exciting day. A little bit of disappointment for him with the guy that loaded it and smashing it into a tree and it not quite running how he wanted it to, but I think they might have narrowed down what's wrong and they'll get it fixed. I'm gonna get back to doing the pine cone and head home. Okay, on my way home. Good day at the farm. Till next time. Why do you have poop in your yard? Turn the opposite way of me. I almost did the thing where you step on the rake and it comes up at your face. Smack. I gotta go slow. I got the camera in the wagon. This is the south side of the road, yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, Northern Lights. That's where we saw the Northern Lights. His little dog. Hello, little puppy. Hello, puppy. There's somebody else in there too. A lady. Oh.
We get our workman's comp paid up to date on him? See?
Holy cow. That's ways down.
It is far down. I don't know what he's doing. I'll learn something probably. YouTube. Yep. Everybody on YouTube can learn too. Or it can be some funny video and Rick's funniest videos. Oh, maybe don't bonk my head. Oh, I gotta stand. My knees! Oh.
Oh, yeah.